In this video, we're going to take a look real quick at how to create this recessed area for each one of the claws. It's pretty simple. One thing that we want to do, we don't want stuff to be out of line like right here or out dips. We want to kind of even that out a little bit and check it all the way around. Once we have that where we want it and it's fairly even, all we need to do is go to the loop split tool, click and drag and move up to about here, and then we can scale that in, and then we want to move it, we want to push it back in just a little bit, something like that. Then kind of go around it and make sure it's fairly even. That way when we subdivide this later in the sculpting mode, you'll be able to see that easily. So we'll come up here to the next one, kind of move a couple of these verts around a little bit. Yeah, it looks okay. Go in, loop split. Oops. Pull it up. Scale it in. Make sure our view's lined up. And then we'll push it back. That looks pretty good. So now we'll go on to the next one. Let's see this one. This one will split right here. And let's split it there. Pull it up. Scale it in a little bit. Push it back in. Yeah, that looks pretty good. This was just a short video to show that. In the next video, we'll probably take a look at doing the claws down on the foot. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.